Are you supposed to be going to someone and asking for forgiveness for something you did? If you are, look, stop delaying it. Your pride is getting in the way of your love for someone else. You're sitting there all consumed with pride, but it's getting you nothing. You're missing out on the very most important things and people in your life. Pride will kill you and destroy everything you have and want. Let not your pride get in the way of your happiness. Get off your behind. Go to that person you wronged. Don't expect them to forgive you when you did wrong. Ask them for forgiveness and get it right. Time is of the essence. What are you waiting for?